Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best robot vacuum in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 5. A Robot Roomba 694 Robot Vacuum Wi-Fi Connectivity. Personalized cleaning recommendations, works with Alexa, good for pet hair, carpets, hard floors, self-charging. Roomba 694. The Roomba 600 series robot vacuum is a great way to begin cleaning your home smarter. It learns your cleaning habits and then offers up custom cleaning schedules, taking on daily dirt, dust, and debris from carpets and hard floors. It even has an edge-sweeping brush to get into corners and along edges. Google Assistant and Alexa compatibility let you start a cleaning session with just your voice, or simply use the iRobot Home app when your area's pollen count is high or during pet shedding season. The Roomba 600 series robot vacuum can even suggest extra cleanings to help keep your floors clean every day of the year. Number 4. ALIFE V3's Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner, Tangle-free suction, slim, automatic self-charging robotic vacuum cleaner, daily schedule cleaning, ideal for pet hair, hard floor, and low-pile carpet. Pearl white. This budget-friendly robot vacuum was a favorite among our team because it moves around a space efficiently, picking up most dirt on carpets and hard floors along the way. We spent some time reading the manual, but after doing so, setup took less than 5 minutes. This model also comes with a handy remote control, so you can change the settings while you lounge and watch your favorite TV show. Work smarter, not harder. It can navigate between carpet and hard floors with ease, avoiding most objects despite not having specific object avoidance technology. It scored well in noise level, because our team could hold a clear conversation during testing even when the vacuum was close by. Number 3. RoboVac S8 Pro Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop, Auto-Drying, Self-Washing, Liftable Dual Brush and Sonic Mop. 6,000 pascals suction, self-refilling, self-emptying, obstacle avoidance, Black Rock Dock Ultra Series. In terms of setup, getting the robot vacuum up and running took 4 minutes, with an additional 10 to set up the programs like scheduling cleanings, etc. That said, during setup, if your Wi-Fi signal isn't strong, the process will fail a few times before it actually syncs. We used this vacuum daily over a month-long testing period, and loved that it kept our apartment dust-free during allergy season. There are several cleaning modes, such as deep cleaning mode, which is quite loud but effective, and light cleaning mode, which is quieter, and you can hold a conversation over. You can set it to clean just one room or zone at a time, if you prefer. For example, you could schedule it to clean the kitchen after meal time, so it can immediately grab any stray crumbs or scraps. Number 2. ECOVACS DEEBOT 9 Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo with Auto Empty Station, Precision Laser Mapping, 3D Maps, Oscillating Mopping, 3,000 pascals suction, hands-free cleaning for up to 60 days, air freshener. This hybrid mop vacuum combo proved an easy ally during setup, coming together in just 6 minutes. The manual is quite helpful, though. We'd have to add the air freshener component ourselves. It was supposed to be installed already. As part of the initial clean, the Ecovex vacuum creates a diagram of your living space while it does the first clean. This took about 2 hours. While in motion, it picked up a ton of dog hair as well as scraps from a recent renovation. You can schedule the robot vacuum to map out your home and clean specific areas on a varied or consistent schedule, depending on your needs, whether once a week, during the work week, or on weekends. Number 1. Eufy by Anker, BoostIQ, RoboVac 30C Max, Robot Vacuum Cleaner, Wi-Fi, super thin, 2,000 pascals suction, boundary strips included, quiet, self-charging, cleans hard floors to medium pile carpets. If you've ever dreamt of a vacuum that can clean your hardwood floors, tile, and more with the sound of your voice, this model's Alexa approved, then you're in luck. The BoostIQ RoboVac 30C Max from Eufy is a powerhouse in a small frame, just over a foot in diameter, that automatically senses shifts in the floor by increasing suction strength when larger messes are detected. This works fabulously on hard flooring, as the vacuum can sense where crumbs may be collecting in the grout in tile floors or pick up any debris lodged under bits of natural wood. We use this vacuum in a myriad of situations, evaluating its suction against scattered cereal, sand, hair, and more.